In the vast expanse of our solar system, countless celestial wanderers traverse the cosmic sea. Among them is Asteroid 2024 YR4, a relatively small, rocky body first detected by astronomers in late 2024. This discovery sent ripples through the scientific community, not because of its size, but because of its projected path. Initial calculations suggested a potential collision course with Earth in the distant future, the year 3032. The discovery of 2024 YR4 serves as a stark reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. These celestial wanderers, remnants from the early solar system, hold clues to our own planetary origins and pose potential threats to life on Earth. The potential impact of 2024 YR4, however remote, presents a unique challenge and opportunity for humanity. Asteroid 2024 YR4 falls under the classification of a near-Earth object, or NEO. These celestial objects are asteroids or comets, whose orbits bring them into close proximity with Earth's orbit. 2024 YR4's moiety raised concerns among scientists, prompting further observation and analysis of its trajectory. Understanding NEOs is crucial for planetary defense. By studying their composition, size, and trajectories, scientists can assess potential threats and develop strategies to mitigate risks. The discovery of 2024 YR4 highlights the importance of ongoing NEO observation programs and the need for international collaboration in space exploration and planetary defense. Predicting the trajectory of an asteroid over a millennium is a complex endeavor, fraught with uncertainties. The gravitational pull of the Sun, planets, and other celestial bodies can subtly alter an asteroid's path over time. To predict the trajectory of 2024 YR4, scientists employ sophisticated computer models that take into account the gravitational forces of all major celestial bodies in our solar system. These models require precise measurements of the asteroid's current position, velocity, and other orbital parameters. Even with the most advanced technology, however, predicting an asteroid's path over centuries remains an intricate and evolving science. As new observations are gathered, models are updated, and our understanding of the asteroid's potential threat evolves. Potential impact zones. A global perspective. While the likelihood of asteroid 2024 YR4 impacting Earth in 3032 remains uncertain, scientists have identified potential impact zones based on the asteroid's projected trajectory. These zones span vast areas of our planet, underscoring the global nature of the potential threat. One potential impact zone encompasses a large swathe of the Pacific Ocean. An impact in this region could trigger tsunamis, giant waves that could devastate coastal communities thousands of kilometers away. The western coast of the Americas also falls within the potential impact zones, with catastrophic consequences for major cities and critical infrastructure. The Voice of Expertise. An interview with Dr. Emily Carter. To gain further insights into the potential impact of Asteroid 2024 YR4, I spoke with Dr. Emily Carter, a leading expert in asteroid impact modeling and planetary defense. Dr. Carter emphasized the importance of understanding the uncertainties inherent in long-term predictions. While the current projections suggest a potential impact in 3032, Dr. Carter explained, it's crucial to remember that these are based on our current understanding of the asteroid's trajectory. As we gather more data and refine our models, the projected impact probability and potential impact zones may change. When asked about the potential consequences of an impact, Dr. Carter painted a sobering picture. The impact of an asteroid the size of 2024 YR4 would release an enormous amount of energy, she said. The immediate effects would be devastating, including widespread fires, tsunamis, and seismic activity. The long-term effects on the environment and climate could be equally severe. Guardians of Earth. Planetary defense initiatives. The discovery of asteroid 2024 YR4 and its potential threat to Earth has spurred renewed interest and investment in planetary defense initiatives. Around the world, space agencies and research institutions are developing technologies and strategies to detect, track, and potentially deflect hazardous asteroids. One promising technology is the kinetic impactor, a spacecraft designed to collide with an asteroid at high speed, altering its trajectory. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test (DART) mission, launched in 2021, successfully demonstrated this concept by impacting the small asteroid moon Dimorphos. The mission provided valuable data on the effectiveness of kinetic impactors as a planetary defense strategy. A legacy for future generations. The potential impact of asteroid 2024 YR4 in the distant future presents a unique challenge and opportunity for humanity. The investments we make today in space exploration, scientific research, and planetary defense will determine the future of generations to come.
The challenges posed by asteroid 2024 YR4 also highlight the importance of international collaboration. By working together, sharing knowledge and pooling resources, we can develop effective planetary defense strategies and ensure the safety of our planet for future generations.
The story of asteroid 2024 YR4 is a story of human ingenuity, resilience, and our enduring quest to understand and explore the cosmos.